Hi everyone. There were some questions on how to get to the textbook and read it easily. So what I've tried to do is add a link to the home page for the textbook. It goes to the HTML version. So right now I'm in Student View. Student View doesn't actually have a link to my MATLAB. Only my instructor account it has a link to my MATLAB. Student View doesn't actually have a link, so I'm going to have to leave it. So this is what it should look like for you. Then leaving Student View. This is what it looks like for me, and if I select this textbook link, it opens in a new window, and it goes to the HTML version of the book, which means that it's like the plain, non-PDF version of the book. It also means that I won't be trying to load the reader that my MATLAB uses, so it may help reduce some of the errors that you're getting when it won't load the reader. So this is just like a regular web page. I can change the text size, I can navigate the book, and you can see it's not as pretty as the actual book, but it gives you all the same information, and the load time is a lot less. And the load time even getting from here to the textbook is a lot less than their fancy reader. So if the fancy reader is working great for you, keep using it, no problem. If it's not, or if the load time's taking a long time, or it feels like it's using a lot of data, if you're on a limited amount of data that you can use for a course, try this HTML version, see if it works better for you. It still can link around, you can still get to things. It has all the exact same information. It just does it in a format that is used on the rest of the web. So no special reader, and it just doesn't look as pretty. So if you select the textbook link and it does not work, what I would suggest before you give up and say that it doesn't work for you is that you go to the MyLab and Mastering and then select anything. So you won't see these, you'll see these down here. Select any of these just to sort of force the Pearson app to open and force that connection to happen, and then go back to the home page and try to link again. So if it doesn't work right away, go to the MyLab and Mastering, select anything in the student links so that that connection to my MATLAB is sort of forced to happen for that session, and then go ahead and select the textbook link. I hope this works. I hope it simplifies getting to the textbook. If somebody could email me back and let me know whether or not it worked, that would be great, because it's hard for me to tell since I'm using the instructor interface to be able to accomplish it.